How to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, press and hold on the network panel and then tap on the Airdrop option and make sure to select everyone for 10 minutes option you see there and avoid contacts only option. See if that helps, and if not, then simply disable Bluetooth Wi-Fi and then go ahead and enable it again, as this quickly resets and fixes most issues. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and disable personal hotspot if you have enabled, as AirDrop will not work when hotspot is active. So simply disable the toggle button for allow others to join under the personal hotspot tab. See if that helps, and if not, then make sure to keep both your iPhone unlocked and awake, as AirDrop fails if the screen is locked. So unlock both your devices and keep the screen on during the transfer. Also, if you were connected to any type of VPN or focus, then simply go ahead and disable the VPN and the focus mode, as VPNs and focus can block discovery. See if that helps, and if not, then check the device compatibility and distance. Make sure your device is iPhone 5 or newer and has iOS 8 or later and is within 13 feet, that is 9 meters, and also make sure to remove thick cases if needed. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to simply restart both the iPhones, as a simple restart fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone, so restart both your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings and enter your passcode and reset network settings on both the devices and see if it helps, and if not, then make sure both the iPhone is updated to its latest version. So in settings again, tap on general and then on software update and install latest version of iOS on both the iPhones, as AirDrop bugs are often fixed via updates. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.